Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AT&T Smart Home Manager app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the AT&T Smart Home Manager app, first, ensure that you have downloaded the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app on your device. You will then be prompted to enter your AT&T account credentials. Input your AT&T user ID in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field provided. If you are unsure of your user ID or password, tap on the Forgot User ID or Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, tap the Sign In button. The app may prompt you to verify your identity with two-factor authentication. If prompted, select the preferred method for receiving your verification code. You can choose a text message or an email to receive the code. Enter the verification code in the app when you receive it. Once verified, you will gain access to the Smart Home Manager app. If you experience issues signing in, double-check your credentials for accuracy. If problems persist, consider resetting your password through the app. After successfully logging in, you can explore the features of the Smart Home Manager. Ensure your device is connected to the internet for optimal performance. Now, you are ready to manage your smart home devices using the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.